This is Total Television reporting live from CommunicAsia in Singapore. I'm talking to Simon Dredge of Metaswitch. Simon, you've got some exciting news, particularly Singapore, but generally right across Asia.
Yeah, that's right, Brian. We have opened our new office up in Singapore. Very excited. We've dropped some of our experienced sales professionals in the region, and we're hoping to grow both the Southeast Asia region and the Asia Pacific region as a whole, using Singapore as our new hub. When we launching our products into this market, we're looking at launching our products in three distinct categories: VoIP infrastructure and applications, session management, and fourth generation of communications. That's what we're using our Singapore office for as a hub, and that's what we're going to market with.
And I think you've got off to a flying start with Telecom and new products, loads of announcements this week.
Yeah, that's right. Actually, the session management portfolio we have includes a service broker, and that's exactly what Chunghwa are using in order to help them make the migration from today's network technology to IMS network infrastructure. So the service broker actually sits in the middle of all these distinct networks, wireline, wireless, and next gen, and it sits in between the classic applications delivery infrastructures and next generation applications delivery infrastructures, and it ensures that all these networks can talk as the networks make the migration from classic to next generation.
And of course you've managed to increase your portfolio offering with the news about Calibra. Tell us a bit about that.
Yeah, absolutely. Very excited. In April we actually acquired a company out of Oslo, Norway, called Calibra. Calibra are experts in delivering rich communications suite components that are deployed in IMS infrastructures to really ensure that service providers continue to stay relevant in this environment where over-the-top service providers are continually getting more and more face time in front of the customer, and obviously this means that carriers run the risk of being relegated to really dumb pipe status, and that's really what we're passionate about preventing. So with the acquisition of Calibra, we now have a suite of network components and elements that we can drop into networks, and they can deliver network address books, and it obviously ensures that the carrier can now own the customer and own the profile. We have presence and availability management, instant messaging components, so we can really deliver this network core that can provide rich communications, a suite of experience.
Well, it all seems very popular here. We've had to wait to speak to you. You're absolutely packed out here. What's your impressions of the show here at CommunicAsia?
Yeah, it's been a very, very good show for us, again, as we're relaunching ourselves into this market, into this marketplace. One of our most interesting products we've had and shown at the show is our Through-To product, and that is actually another way to deliver a rich communications experience, but this time not based on network equipment, but based on over-the-top technology. So we're using a cloud-based server and clients that are delivered through the Android market to deliver rich contextual sharing between callers on mobile handsets. So as we've gone through the show, it's been a very, very easy and a very, very attractive product to show. It's garnered a lot of interest for us.
Okay, well, thanks for speaking to Total Television.
Thanks, Brian.